Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will learn how to fix rejected returns on Turbotax. Without further ado, let's get started. The initial step in addressing an issue with your tax return is to check your email for any communication from Turbotax. Specifically, look for an email titled Action Needed from the Turbotax at intuit.com, which will contain instructions on how to proceed. After signing in, select the option to fix my return. TurboTax will then provide an explanation as to why your return was rejected and guide you through the most common issues that may have caused the rejection. If the system prompts you to do so, follow the necessary steps to correct the error. After making the required adjustments, take a moment to review your updated tax return, save a PDF version for your records, and submit it for e-filing. However, if your return continues to face issues during the e-filing process, you will always have the alternative option of printing your return and submitting it via mail. And we are done. Thanks for watching. Before leaving this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos and contents. Peace out.